How to boost Telegram channel. In this video I will show you how you can boost your Telegram channel. So in order to boost your channel, just click on your Telegram app or Telegram account, open your account. Once you are on your account, just click on your channel that you want to boost. Now while you are on your channel, on top where your name is written, just click on these three dots on top right side. These three dots, and on second line there is option called boost channel. Just click on boost channel. Now when you click on boost channel, now there is a two way to boost your channel. First one is simple boost and second one is giveaway. So these two methods you can boost your channel. So for first one, just click on boost, and when you click on boost, just again click on boost. Now it's asking for only Telegram premium subscriber can boost channel. In order to boost your channel, you have to subscribe Telegram premium. So this is the first method. You can boost your channel, but you must have Telegram premium. And there's a different level. You can check this and boost your channel. The second one is giveaway. Just click on giveaway. When you click on giveaway, now there are quantities of prizes. You can send some gifts to your subscriber, and in return you will get boost. So how many prizes you will get, how many boost. So you can see there is a many different option like 3, 5, 7. These quantities are quantity of prizes that you want to give away to your premium subscriber. So for 3 quantity of prizes that you want to give away, that you will give away, you will get 12 boosts, and you will give away these gifts to your subscriber channel subscriber. So let's suppose we will select 5 prizes, quantity of prizes 5, and we will get 20 boosts. Now scroll down. Also, what you want, all subscriber to give away, all subscriber are only new subscriber. It's up to you. That's why you click on all subscriber. Now duration of premium subscription. How much duration you want to give away premium subscription to your subscriber. So you can select 1 year, 6 months and 3 months. It's up to you. So you will give away this premium subscription to your subscriber, and in return you will get boost for your channel. So this is the way you can select simple 3 months, 6 months or 1 year. And now again simply click on start giveaway. When you will click on start giveaway, this premium subscription will be given to your subscriber, and in return you will get 20 boost. So this is the way you can boost your Telegram channel.